person here could be somewhat watching you at night, because that's the first thing that came into my mind after seeing this moon card energy. Or this person here is watching you. Yeah, watching. That's what I'm getting. Watching or thinking about you at night or bago siya matulog siguro. Yun agad. And with the lovers, yeah, this person could be someone here that has feelings for you. But look at that, there's a mountain. Yan yung una kong napansin dito. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng kayong dalawa ay separated na, or kayong dalawa ay walang connection ngayon. Let's see. Iniisip ka niya ngayon. Yun na nakikita ko. Iniisip ka niya ngayon or pinapanood ka niya ngayon. That's the first thing kasi. Yeah, may pag-cut dito. So, nakakuha ko dito mga babes, no. Before I showed this Ace of Wands to you, okay, I saw the Queen of Swords. So, ibig sabihin may pag-cut dito nitong passionate connection na ito. Pero kung mapapansin niyo, Ace of Wands here is in a pride position. So, ibig sabihin, there's still passion coming from that person. That's why naiisip ka niya. Okay, alamin natin yan. There's still passion remains in that person's heart for you. So, let's see. Thank you. Let's get nosy on this one. Chismosa, let's get nosy. Oh, someone from the past is watching you, no? And with this 8 of coins to the Emperor, this person is watching you build yourself, lift yourself, okay? This someone from the past right here. This could be someone here who could have done immature moves in the past or actions in the past, immature, okay? Or this person could be somewhat younger than you by age, so just take how this resonates, okay? Someone here is watching you, could be online. That's my online energy, the 7 of Cups, yeah. Humahanga siya sa'yo. Nakikita ko dito. May paghanga mula sa taong ito, mula sa nakaraan mo. Okay. Pero nananatili siya rito, close off. Yan. So, tingnan natin. Okay. Hey there, Collective! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel. So, bago po natin simulan ng reading na ito para sa inyo, mga babes, reminders na hindi ito for everybody. So, just pick up the messages you think are for you. And if you feel connected into this reading, then this reading might be really for you. Yan. So, bago natin simulan ng reading na ito, reminders na hindi po ito for everybody, okay? At, hi and hello to the new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. At sa mga returning subscribers, welcome kayo here. Alam nyo yan. So, yan mga babes, no, sinikita ko dito. By the way, this is genderless at timeless din ito. Yan. Tapos, nakikita ka rito, you're building yourself up. Actually, you're focusing here on your stability. You're prioritizing here something to do with your money, your coins, no? Yung iba nagpo-focus sa trabaho, sa career, sa business, at nakikita ko rito nagtatagumpay ka. Yan, no? So, you're slowly moving into this Emperor's energy. Wala tayong gender dito. Emperor, this is you taking your control back into your life. Yan. So, pwede kasing kinontrol kayo ng iba at maaaring yun yung past person mo, no? But this past person is watching you right now. Yan, nakita ko dito. So, kung sino man ang mga energies na nakaka-resonate sa akin dito, no? Sa reading na iti, this is you guys. 8 of Coins energy. Yeah. Iniingatan mo ngayon yung trabaho mo, iniingatan mo yung sarili mo. Apron kasi to mga babes, yung suot niya dyan yung itim. Apron yan, you're protecting your stability because you're gaining control here now into your life. No, ikaw na ulit ang may hawak ng manibela ng buhay mo. At ang maganda, may progreso, no? Meron ditong pagbabago, no? Pagdating sa yung stability, sa kaperahan mo, dito sa pinagkakakitaan mo, no? Dito sa earning living mo, no? Or itong business mo, kung businessman yan, or pwedeng work naman para sa iba, no? And this person is watching you online. You could be in a social media or in a public eye right here, okay? But doesn't have to be, baka may TikTok ka, may YouTube channel ka, or baka meron ka ritong stories or featured stories na nakapublic or whatever it is. This person is watching you, whether nakapublic ka or hindi, no? Marami siya ritong ways. This person finds ways. Yan. No? So, nakikita ko rito that this person is becoming your fan. Humahanga siya sa'yo rito. Literally, yes. This is your fan now. Your ex-person. You have this glow up in you. You're appearing here as well, my loves, as the Queen of Wands energy. This person is so attracted to you because you had this glow up sa sarili mo at glowing ka pa nga ngayon. Not yung gender dito, pero kasi this is you shining, no, brightly right here. So, pwedeng may nagbago na yung focus on your appearance, you enhance your appearance right here, mas gumanda ka, mas gumwapo ka, no, dahil mo natutunan dito. The Queen of Wands is someone who advises. The Queen of Wands is someone who's stunning, okay, gorgeous. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no, na kung sino-sino man na nakaka-resonate dito, no, this is you, meron kang glow up sa life mo. Yeah. So, nakikita ko rito, no, na this past person of yours is watching you grow. This past person of yours is now your fan. Yan. So, pwede kasing hindi niya rin kasi akalain na magtatagumpay ka. Actually, alam niya naman talaga sa sarili niya nung umpisa pa lang mga babes na may kakayahan ka talagang magtagumpay sa life mo. Alam niya yun from the start. At yan nga yung isa sa pinakikita sa akin dito na bagay na nagustuhan niya rito sa'yo Noon, this past person right here, alam niya na magtatagumpay ka one day. No? Dahil matatayog ang mga pangarap mo at talagang gagawin mo yan, no, natupadin dito. So, nakikita ko dito mga viewers na itong tao na to ngayon, no, is hindi ko alam kung saan kanya nakikita. Pero this person right here is seeing you, watching you online. Yan, no. At isa siya, I mean, sa mga fan mo. Doesn't have to be na may public account ka or what, no. Pero nakikita ka niya, updated siya sa'yo, may news siya about sa'yo. This person knows about you, okay? And this person right here is giving me this message, no, na nagtatagumpay ka. Masaya siya para sa'yo at alam niya naman talaga na ikaw ay magtatagumpay sa iyong life. Pero dun sa parte mga babes, no, na kung tatanungin niyo ko kung may gagawin ba siya rito, no, na kilos or movement, no, to come forward to you or to talk to you or to reach out to you, no, hindi ko yun nakikita sapagkat we have here the 7 of Wands energy and there's this 2 of Swords energy plus the Hangman. Alright, sorry for that commercial mga babes, no, kasi may Shopee. Kailangan kong buksan yung Shopee mga babes. Ayan nga, no, going back right here, no. So, yeah, kung tatanungin ninyo ako, no, kung itong tao ba ni ito ay may paglapit na gagawin, no, hindi ko yung nakikita ng mga babes sapagkat we have here the 7 of Wands energy, 2 of Swords, and there's this Hangman. So, it means that this person right here is actually being closed off. Okay? Wala po sa plano niya ngayon na lumapit sa inyo. Okay? Especially, meron siya rito ang inaasikaso, no? Nakakita ko dito with the 9 of Wands energy, 10 of Wands, and there's this 8 of Swords energy. Parang meron siyang ibang problema or ibang tinatapos na conflicts or pwedeng trabaho, no? And this person right here is parang pagod na about that. Sa dinideal niya na yun or sa inaayos niya na yun, no? Inasikaso. So, pwede may kinalaman sa work or sa ibang bagay, no, na walang kinalaman about you. Pero this person is busy doon, no? And it is a problem or it is a conflict na inaayos niya ritong mag-isa. Yan. Mag-isa niya yan mga babes na inaayos. Kasi 9 of Wands is someone here who's doing all the work. And I'm seeing this person exhausted, no? Pagod siya, diti. Yan. This person right here is nakikita ko naman, no, na naaayos niya naman paunti-unti, pero marami-rami pa eh. So, pwedeng marami pa siya ritong inaayos or baka marami tong trabaho siyang ginagawa rito. Yung nakikita ko dito. Actually, pagdating sa kanyang heart space or damdamin for you guys, nakikita ko yung ito tao na to. Nakakita ko ng, alam mo yung kislap sa kanyang mga mata. So, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari sa inyong dalawa. Pero, this person right here is one of your fans. One of your fans. Yan, no? Isa siya sa mga humahanga sa'yo. Okay? Siguro nakikita niya na, wow, ang asenso na ngayon ni Collective. Wow, ang ganda niya na nga lalo ngayon. Or wow, ang gwapo niya na lalo ngayon. Wow, umaangat na siya. Sabi na nga ba, kaya niya yan eh. Alam ko talaga sa sarili ko magtatagumpay siya. Yan. So, from that part, alam niya yun. Pero wala siyang ginagawang movement dito. Yan, yun nakikita ko rito. No? So, yeah, alam mo yun, we're hearing that song. Yung, alam ko yung parte na yun, sana'y hindi na lang, wala rin patutunguhan kahit sabihin pang mahal kita. Yeah. So, this person right here, yeah, feeling hopeless. With that, walang patutunguhan kahit mahal kita. Parang for him or her, wala ring patutunguhan. Parang ganun, no? So, I don't know if this person did a mistake sa inyo in the past, no? Or this person feels not deserving with your love. So, kayo nakakaalam ng history niyong dalawa. Pero this person thinks, no, na wala na ring patutunguhan kahit na meron pa siyang natitirang pagmamahal sa inyo. Nakakuha rin kasi ako ng parting medyo nahihiya siyang lumapit. So, bahala na lang kayo mga babes, no? Kung ba't ganyan yung nararamdaman niya. Kasi hindi sa akin pinakita dito, no, kung bakit nag-end ang inyong relationship. Hindi ko rin nakita dito yung third party or kung ano mang bagay, no, na pwedeng naging hadlang sa inyo. Basta nakita ko dito na kung sino man ito is mula ito sa inyong nakaraan. This is a past person right here. You've separated already from this person. The love and connection that you had with this person already ended here. That's what I'm getting. And this person is watching you grow. Take control of take control of your life. Yeah. So, this person right here, parang masaya na siya. Nakikita ka niya nagtatagumpay. Ganun ko ako sa kanya rito. Ayan. At meron siya ritong mga bagay na unti-unting inasa sa ayos or ginagawa ng paraan para ma-release niya sa kanyang life. It's a burden. Yun. No? This person here, continuously watching you. Yun na nakikita ko rito. So, wala siyang ginagawa kundi mag-cellphone. Nakakita kasi ako na nagsi-cellphone. Yeah, this person is definitely watching you. Browsing you. Browsing your social media accounts here. Yeah. This person here is inspired by you actually eh. Yeah, natutuwa siya rito na nagtatagumpay ka. Pero yun nga, wala nga siyang ginagawa. Pero yun, no, meron tayong nakukuha ritong may pagmamahal pa rin siya sa'yo. There's still feelings remaining here for you guys. Pero yun nga, parang iniisip niya wala na rin patutunguhan niya. Hindi ko lang kung sino tong kakonek ninyo. Pero feeling hopeless siya. Yan. Tsaka nakakuha nga tayo ng nahihiyang vibe sa kanyang image. Well, whoever this individual is, this person here, K, is your ex-person here who is now your fan. At noon pa man daw, naniniwala na talaga siyang kaya mong maging successful sa sarili mong paa. Yeah. So, collective, ito ang mga mensahe natin from your past person right here. Thank you so much. Sarang ngayon, love and light. Annyeong!